That's the question.
Thanks very much, Jerome. Let's now go to Mr. Blake, and then we'll go to CVM.
Thank you, Simon. Two questions for the coach. Cataract, the boy in the Ultras, we welcome you. Welcome to Jamrock. The supporters welcome you. Excellent selection by the technical committee, Mr. Speed, Mr. President, Gensec, for making this happen. As a Yorkshire boy, welcome you to Jamaica as well. The only Leeds United supporter here on the island. We'll forgive you for your association with Manchester United. But Coach, I wanted to piggyback on a question asked earlier. Could you delve a little bit into, for my first question, your philosophy, your footballing philosophy, and how can we expect to see our national team play similarly or differently under your guidance? That's the first question, and then
yeah, I think the style. I think I have to discover what the Jamaican culture is like, the Jamaican player, the Jamaican way of play. I've studied a lot of games which Jaime used and had previously with Jamaica, and it was a conversation that me and Mr. Speed had, that during the process I was stuck on one system. I said the system and the way of playing depends on the players, and if we can get the best players in and get a style and a system and a way of playing that gets the best out of the best players, that is the best. So that's what I'm studying now. Many games in the past, going back, looking at individual players, and we talked about being adaptable, and I think Coach Jaime was very adaptable with the team, and I think we need to be as well. But I think the key principles will always be in football. You have to be so hard to beat. You have to commit. You have to be a good team without the ball. You have to be organised. You have to defend the box for your life. You have to make sure that you're hard to play against. You must be able to play football. And the Jamaican players that I've seen, they can play football. They can deal with the ball. They can handle the ball. They want the ball. And I don't know, and I'm hoping to learn that flair and creativity is paramount in a Jamaican team. And we have got flair and ability and creativity in the players. I've seen that at close hand. I've seen it in the games. So they're the three things. But they are nothing without togetherness, without team spirit, without fighting for each other, running for each other, working hard for each other, all towards a common goal. And whenever I've been in a successful team, it's been a line from the top to the bottom, from Mr. President all the way down to somebody who, you know, might have the lowest job, they think, but no, nobody does. And the key, we're all aligned in that, is for the players, and they're key. So flexibility, adaptability, getting the best players in the right system, playing in the positions that they're used to, square pegs in square holes, we always call it, to get the best out of them. We can be a major force.